Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Julian, and today we'll be talking about love and hate. We all have things in our lives that we love. For me, it's quality time with my family and making memories that will last forever. But I do think we all have some things that we hate too. I don't really hate a lot of things, but if I had to think of one thing off the top of my head, it would be mushrooms. Ugh, gross. Let's read Ecclesiastes 3:8. A time to love and a time to hate. Love is God's greatest commandment to us. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, soul, and mind. And second, love your neighbor as yourself. Sometimes that neighbor part gets a little dicey. My heart says, love them, love them, love them. But my mind says, well, you get the point. So what about the word hate? It's strong and kind of hard to hear. I mean, whenever I hear someone say they hate tacos, I'm taken back because, in my opinion, tacos should be the only thing that you ever eat on Tuesday. I'm speaking from experience. But really, it's tough to hear because hatred for something is a strong opinion. Scripture actually talks a lot about hate, but not how you would think. God has written it out plain and simple for us that we must love the sinner, but hate the sin. He's never called us to hate one another, no matter what kind of background or lifestyle or belief system they come from, but we are to love one another just as Christ has loved the church. In the same fashion, we are to hate sin, for it keeps us from the fullness of God. If you were to do some inventory in your heart, ask yourself, do I actually love my enemy? Do I really hate sin? And let's be honest with ourselves. Sometimes sin feels good and it could be enjoyable, but God has called us to be set apart from this world. So yes, there is a time to love and a time to hate. Love God with all your heart and love your neighbor, but hate the sin of this world and strive to live a righteous life with God.